Greetings everyone, this is Abdurrahman Mubarak. Nowadays, contractors often face the challenge of accurately modeling cables over containment to determine the exact quantity needed for large-scale project. Usually, creating conduits by using sections and 3D views can be a time-consuming process, especially for complex designs. To streamline this task and save you valuable time, I'm excited to introduce my latest Revit add-in, cable modeling. This tool is designed to simplify cable modeling, offering an efficient solution for generating precise cable quantities and improving project workflows. Without further ado, let's get into demonstration. For example, we have here a cable containment run that goes from this electrical equipment to that mechanical pump, and we'd like to model a cable over this containment. But before we do that, you need just first to adjust every setting you have here. For instance, we have here just a dummy conduit. Okay, just select it, adjust the standard you would like to use in order to determine the available size, the available diameter size for this conduit, for this cable. Okay, then launch the plugin itself like this. As you can see, this is the UI. It's divided to multiple sections. We have here containment selection, and then conduit type, then cable alignment, cable data, cable layers, and also the cable radius for the fitting itself. First of all, let's just first select the containment. For better selection, I'd like to isolate the containment itself first, like this, and then select it. As you can see, the UI is hidden until you finish your selection by pressing escape. Okay, then simply select, like this, and then press escape. The UI comes back. As you can see, I tell you that 9 containment have been selected. Then you choose the type that you want the conduit to be drawn, and also remember that the conduit type is related to the standards. So if you just select LV cable here, as you can see, these are the available diameters available for the standard related to the conduit type you selected. If you choose another, as you can see, multiple different kind of cable diameter are shown here. So back again to low voltage cable, then select diameter, let's say 50. But before that, you need to just select the alignment, left, middle, right. Let's select middle, and for the cable data, we have here number of cables. Let's just select 2 cables. The diameter is 50, the cable spacing 50, and as you can see, just by default, if you just change the cable diameter, this will automatically equal to the cable diameter. But of course, you can just simply change it. It's not fixed to the cable diameter. You can just change it, but the default is the cable diameter. So let's say here we choose cable spacing 60. Number of layers for vertical cable data, just keep it for 1 for now, and for the cable radius, just simply equal to the cable diameter multiplied by 8. Let's leave everything as it is and try to run. As you can see, required cables have been created successfully. As you can see, if we go through here from the electrical equipment all the way to the mechanical pump. By doing this, by using this plugin, this actually facilitates your work, and the task of modeling the cable will be a lot easier and a lot faster. As you can see, like this. Let's try one more time. Let's again run the plugin like this. Select again. As you can see here, let's again choose the type, choose the cable diameter. Let's say we align it to the left now, and let's say this one is 65. The tray inset from the left is 50. Let's make it 55. Just for this demonstration, and let's say we have 2 cables, and let's run. As you can see, again, it's all modeled this way. Let's take a section in here just to demonstrate. As you can see, this is the tray all the way from here. This is the ground floor all the way from here, and this is the inset I'm talking about. That was 55, and again, the distance between each cable and every cable is 65 as we entered in the UI. So I believe this is a very good way to model the cables so perfectly, so efficiently, and also consumes less time than modeling manually. I have here another example for cable containment run that goes from transformer all the way to MDB. Let's first isolate the containment, then launching the plugin again. Let's select containment like this all the way, then choosing a new type, this time medium voltage cable, selecting right alignment, and then let's say we have 2 cable. Let's choose the big cable, and let's make the spacing 90, and the tray inset also 90, and let's try the vertical. This time we have a number of layers, let's say 2, and the vertical distance from center to center, let's say also, let's make it 95, and keep the cable radius as it is, and click run. As you can see, all cable have been modeled successfully. Let's see it. As you can see here, from the transformer all the way up to here like this. Let's simply show you a section for this part. all the way, like as you can see, this is from the right, this is that inset that we selected 90, and also the distance between each cable, each conduit, each cable 90, and for the vertical, as you can see here, from the center to center is almost 95. It's exactly 95, and that's it.